Hello, this is Diego Tejera. I'm the CTO of Broodstack, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the process that we use when we need to do content migration. Okay, what we're seeing here is the sample of a content migration. We usually, when we start working on migration, we do an inventory of everything that exists on an old website, on all the old platform, and we create a transformation map for that. What you're looking at here was from a project that was Drupal migration. Drupal is a content management system, in case you don't know about it. And Drupal handles all of the content that it has as entities. And the entities can have entity types, where you can have one entity type that handles some kind of model or information, and another one that has something completely different. So what you're looking at here is this inventory that we built for each of those entities, and everything that you see here on yellow is basically what existed on the old website. Okay, what was the type of field that we had there, what was the name, what was the machine name or computer name that it had. And what we did after this was create what was going to be the new structure. Since this was a Drupal to Drupal migration, we used a structure pretty similar to the old one, but we made some improvements using the new capabilities that Drupal has. So what you're looking at here is the new structure that we're going to use, and besides that, we also did one for roles, all of the roles that we're going to have on the project. And also, if those content types or entity types were going to be migrated automatic or manually, sometimes it makes more sense to just manually migrate the information. If it's pretty small content, it's going to be more time effective to do it that way. So if you see here, we have some stuff that was going to be migrated manually, some other automatically, others were not going to be migrated at all because it was not going to be part of the new website. And once we have this inventory, we plan the way we're gonna build this migration, starting for the content that is like the most base of the site, and some other content can depend on that one. And from there we start to doing this migration process. We usually write scripts. In this case, which is Drupal, we were using a module that let us that it is like a framework for migrations. On other times that we have dealt with different situations, we normally build them from scratch. But what we always try to do is to build the scripts that can migrate content, that can roll back content and update content. That way, when it is the moment to go to production with the new website, we're ready to just run the migration with one command or click, and be sure that the content is gonna be updated to the day that we deploy.